discuss about numerals. So before going to this topic, we need to know what is numerals. Numerals and numbers. Numerals and numbers are quite similar, but it is also little bit different in their notations. Numerals is the symbol or writing the numbers. Numbers is an idea. Now, in the now we all know that the present days counting numbers base is 10. Whatever counting we are going on in case of monetary transactions or measurements or whatever, it is based on base 10. You see, we are accustomed with this number system that we find it difficult to think of other numbers with other bases. We always think of the base 10. But there are also numbers with other bases, bases 2, bases 3, bases 4, bases 5, bases 6. And they are given a specific number as binary, octet, hexan, and so on. See, for example, 27 base 5. 27 base 5. This is the 27 numerals of an idea that is number 27 with base 5. What does it mean? It means that 2, 5, 2 in the tens and 7 ones means 2, 5 in the tens and 7 ones. In other words, we can say that two groups of 5 and 7 ones. Again if we write 12 to the base 5, to the base 10, we normally write as we normally 12 to the base 10, we normally write as 12. When we find any numbers with 12 without a base 10, we always think that this number may be of base 10. Suppose if I write 13 also, we should always know that there is a base 10. So now we will take some examples from your book so that we can know. Now, for example, express the following numbers in decimal system. Express the following, that is question number 3, in decimal system of chapter 1. Let's see one example. Here it is given 73 to 12. So how we will do? Let's see. Express the following in decimal system. We have to convert into decimal systems of 73 to the base 12. Now, let's see. 7 into, since base is 12, I'll write here 12 plus 3 into base 12. Now what we will do is that from the right hand side the power should go on increasing. That means here it is 0 and here it is 1. Now after solving, what we will get is 12 to the power 1 is 12 plus 3 into 12 to the power 0. We know that it is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So what we get is 12 7 84 plus 3, that is 87. In this way you can solve the question number 3 all. That is another. Let's see another one example of question number 3, that is 106 to the base 12. This is of 3 digits. Let's see. 1 into 12 plus 0 into 12 plus 6 into 12. Now what we will do is that the base's power will go on increasing from right to left. That is, here we will write 0, here it will be 1, here it will be 2. That means power will go on increasing to n plus 1. So here what we will get is 1 into 12. 12 square is 144 plus 0 into 12 is 0 plus 6 into 12 to the power 1 is, or 0 is 1. So it becomes 144 plus 6, that is 150. In this way you can do the number 3 all questions. You see, in doing this you have to be very much cautious about the question. That is, express the following in decimal system. You have to express into decimal system. Here it means what? Here nothing is there. Just I have said it before that if nothing base is there, then we always think that base 10 is there. Now let's see the question number 4. What the question says is that express the following numbers of system with base system with base 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let's take one number, that is 65. 65. What you need to do is that you have to find out the following numbers with the base 5, base 6, base 7 and 8. How we will solve? Let's see. This is 65. So I have to solve it first. Base 5. That is 65 to the base 5. That means I will go on factorizing or dividing. Now how it will be solved? Now 65, since it is given by base 5, I will divide with 5. 5 how many times it goes? 13 times. And the remainder is 0. How will write? This is the quotient, this is the dividend, this is the divisor and this is the remainder. This quotient I will write here. Divided by 5. The quotient I will write here. I will put 1 hyphen or one line, small line here, and I put the 0 in the side. Again to this 13 I will divide with 5. How many times it goes? 5 to 10, and the remainder is 3. Sorry, 5 1 13. Now how many it goes? 5 5 11, 5 3 15. It is greater than 13. Again 5 2 is 10. That means the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 3. Again in this way I will go on. Further you cannot divide. So the answer will be 2 3 0. You go from here. 2 3 0. Again this is by the 5, and we will see for base 6. For base 6. For base 6 how we will do? Same like 5, 65 I will see with 6. How many times it goes? 65 if I divide with 5. 6. 6 10 is 60. 6 11 is 66. So it is greater. So 6 10 is 60. The remainder is 5. So the quotient is 10. This 10 I will bring here, and the remainder 5 to be in the side. Again to this I will divide with 6. To 6. Sorry, 6 to 10. How much time it goes? 6 into 1 is 6. So the remainder is 4. So 6, what time it goes? And the remainder is 4. So the number system with base 6 will be 1 4 5. In this way again we will proceed the 7 also. Again in this way we will proceed the 8 also. Similarly, let's take another one example, that is of 3 numbers, that is 121 of question number 6. Now here this one we will check with base 5. 121 5. So 121 we will see with the base 5. 5 how many times it goes? This value 5 2 10, 5 4 20, remainder is 1. So it 24 times it goes, and the remainder is 1. Again we will try with 4 5. So how many times it goes? 5 5 25, it is greater than 24. So 4 times it goes. 5 4 20. So the remainder is 4. So the remainder 4 I will put here. So the decimal system of this 121 to the base 5 is 4 4 1. And for 6 also same, 7 also same, 8 also same. Again I will repeat you. Express the following into decimal system with base 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is of question number 3. Here 4 bases are given, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You are to find out the bases of these values. The bases of these values. That is 27. That is 27. How much it will be? the question is 65. So first I will try with the base 5, that is base 5. So base is given with the base 5, 65 to base 5. When you are asked to convert into decimal system, how will do? This is 65. I will divide with 5. I will divide with 5, and the quotient will be always under it, and on the right hand side, by putting one hyphen, you will put a remainder, attach a remainder along with it. So 65 I will divide with 5. How many times it goes? 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 3, 15. So the quotient is 13 and the remainder is 0. This 0 you will write here. Again to this you will go on dividing unless and until the quotient, the number, the divisor, the quotient which is turned into a divisor is less than the dividend is less than the divisor. When the dividend is less than the divisor, then you will stop the division. Now again this 13 is the dividend now, and this 5 is the divisor. So dividend is greater than divisor, we can further proceed the division. So I will go on dividing 5. How many times it goes? 5 to 10, 5 to 15. So 5 2 times it goes 10, and the remainder is 3. So the quotient is 2. I write the quotient and the remainder is 3. Now this quotient turns into a dividend. Now this dividend is smaller than the divisor, the base. So we will stop the division here, and what we will write? The decimal system. What we will write? The decimal system as 230. That means 210. But we normally do not write. If we do not write also, we understand that it is a base of base 10. Base 10 means decimal system. Again, after 5, we will see the base 6. 5 finished already. Now we will see the base 6. Similarly, same procedure of 5, we try the base 6 also. That is 65 with 6. Now dividend is 65 and the divisor is 6. We will see how many times it goes. It goes 10 times. That is 60. So the remainder is 5. So quotient is 10, remainder is 5. Again, since this quotient turns into a dividend, now this dividend is greater than the divisor, so we can further proceed. So how many times it goes? 6. 1 time it goes, and the remainder is 4. 10, 6 when you divide 1 time, 6, the remainder is 4. Now again you see here that the divisor is, the dividend is smaller than the divisor, so we will stop the further division and we can write the answer in, that is change the decimal system as 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Now again we will see 65 to base 7. Similarly, 65 you will divide with 7. 65, 7, how many times it goes? 7, 9 times I think. 9 times 7, 63. So the remainder is 2. 9, the remainder is 2. Again this quotient is turned into dividend, so it is smaller than the divisor, so we can further proceed. So how many times it goes? One time. So 717, again the remainder is 2. Again the quotient, the divisor is the dividend is smaller than the divisor, so we will stop here. Then we can write Q2 the answer. Similarly for 8 also. 8. Similarly for 8 also. 65 you will try with 8. 65, when you divide with 8, how many times it goes? 8 times. It is 64. So the remainder is 1. So how many times it goes? The remainder is 1. Again, the dividend and the divisor is equal. So one time it goes and the remainder is 0. Again the dividend is smaller than the divisor. So we will stop. So it becomes what? 1, 0, 1. Where we stop, that division, the dividend, that is the 1. From here we will go on writing this dividend plus these reminders and the remainders. Here mostly the remainders are written. The beginning of the answer, first one, should be always the dividend, where we stop the smallest number which is not divisible by the divisor. Now question number 4. After question number 4 we will see question number 5. Question number 4. Express the following number. Question number 5. That is question number 1. What it says? Number of students in class 8 is 15. Numbers of students in class 8 is 15 to the base 8. So here it is base is given. So how we will do this one? It is said to convert into again decimal numbers. So here what we will do? Question number 5. Shall we do it? We will see. We can do like this also. Is it correct? 8 to 16 greater. One time it goes. So 8 1 8 15 8. The remainder is 7. So the answer will be 1 7. Or 1 base 8. 1 into 8 plus 5 into 8. That is in the expanded form. One is in the division forms. Which one is correct? So the power should go on increasing from right to left. Let's see this one. 8 to the power 1 is 8 plus 5 into 8 to the power 0 is 1. That is 8 plus 5. So here it is to the base 8 and here it is to the base 10. So this one is the correct one and this one is the wrong one. So how we write the answer? 15 into base 8 plus 5 into 8. So power should, starting power will be 0 from the right hand side and the next one it will go on increasing, that is 1. 1 into a to the power 1 is 8 plus 5 into 1. That is 8 plus 5, that is 30. Now let's see the next. That is the question number 2. There are 22 months in a year. There are 22 to the base 5 months in a year. How we will solve? Same like before. 22 to the base 5. This one we can write like this: 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5. The power, first power will be 0. Next one will be go on increasing it is 1. 2 into the 5 to the power 1 is 5 plus 2 into 1. That is 10 plus 2 into 1 is 2. That is 12. Similarly, question number 3. Question number 3. There are 42 7 teachers in your school. There are 42 to the base 7 teachers in your school. So the answer will be what? 42 to the base 7. We can write like this: 4 into 7 plus 2 into 7. And the powers will go on increasing from right hand side. So it becomes what? 4 into 7 to the power 1 is 7 plus 2 into 7 to the power 1 0 is 1. So 2 into 1, that is 4 7 28 plus 2 into 1 is 2, that is the answer is 30. Now let's see question number 4. This year puja holiday will be. This year puja holiday will be 24 to the base 7. I will write 24 to the base 7. 2 into base 7 plus this 4 into base 7, and the powers will go on increasing. That is 2 into 7 to the power 1 is 7 plus 4 into 7 to the power 0 is 1. So 7 into 2 is 14 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Next we will go on adding, that is 18. Now we will see the question number. We will see next question, that is question number 6 and question number 7. Question number 6, what the question says is that express the following numbers into binary system. Binary numbers into decimal system. Express the following binary numbers in decimal numbers. One example, 11. Since the base is 2, that is why it is said binary numbers. Base 2 means binary numbers. Also, binary numbers, one thing we need to note is that 0 to 9 is called the decimal digits or numbers. Again, 0 and any calculations or any additions or subtraction, any operation deals with 0 and 1. 0 and 1, that is, it is called binary numbers, and each number is called bits. Each number is called bits. Now here 1 and 1, that means they are saying one of the values is the binary of this 1. So you are asked to convert into decimal to these, any of these. This is the digits. We know that this 0 to 9 is called the digits. When digits combine, it gives up numbers. Now 0 and 1 is a binary numbers, and they are in a operation, they are called as bits also. Now here we will see that we have to convert into decimal numbers. That means the base is 2. 1 into base 2 plus 1 into base 2, and the base power should go on increasing from right to left as we proceed in the expanded form. So 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. So it becomes what? 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1, so it becomes 3. So this 11 to the base 2, that is the binary number, is converted to decimal 3. Similarly, we will see of 3 bits or 3 numbers. See, that is 1 1 1 1 1, and another one is 1 0 0 or 1. Now these of base 2 of base 2. Now base is given 2. Now this value will convert into decimal number. First one we will see this one. 1. Base is given 2. Given numbers multiply to the base. Again this number multiplies this number multiply to 10, the base, plus this number again multiply to base. Now we will check the power. It will go on increasing. So what it becomes? 1 into 2 to the power 4 is 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. That is 4 into 1 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So it becomes what? 7. So it becomes 7. Similarly, we will check these numbers. Similarly, we will take one example, 1 0 0 1, or you can extend more and more, no problem, to the base 2. So what it will be? 1 to the base 2 1 multiplied to the base 2 plus 0 to base 2 plus 0 multiplied to base 2 plus 1 multiplied to base 2 plus 1 multiplied to base 2. Now in the second steps we will see the powers. Powers will go on increasing. Powers will go on increasing. So 1 into 2 to the power 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 4. So 2 into 4 is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 1 into 16 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2. 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 means 1. Now we will go on multiplying. 16 into 1 is 6 of individual numbers plus 0 into 8 is 0 plus 0 into 4 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Now after adding what you get? 16, 17, 18, 19. In this way you will proceed the question number 6 of your book. The remaining solutions or solved answers I will send you in your MyLab. Now the last one, there is question number 7. That is question number 7. Question is said, following numbers in binary system express the following number in binary system. Now let's take one number, that is 8. Now this 8, how we will convert into a binary systems? Let's see. Binary means you will divide with 2. So when we divide with 2 to this dividend by this divisor, how many times it goes? 4 times it goes. 4 times, and the remainder is 0. Again this one will be converted into dividend, and again I will divide with divisor. Since the dividend is greater than the divisor, that is 2, so we will further proceed the division. That is 2 times it goes and the remainder is 0. Again I will divide with 2 to this number. How many times goes? 1 time, and the remainder is 0. We will further not divide because this dividend is smaller than the divisor. So we will stop here. So from here, these 8, when I turn into the binary, what is the answer? 1 0 0 0 1 0, then again this 0, then again this 0. Similarly, for your convenience, we will take one number, that is 37. I will divide with 2 because it is a binary. Before one to base is given, base 5, base 6, base 7. But in a binary, base is 2, so we will divide with 2. Before one, base 5, base 6, base 7 is specified in the question. That is why we are dividing with 5, 6 and 7. Here we will divide with 2. All answers. Since binary is mentioned. So 2, how many times it goes? 2 1 2. So remainder is 1, 17, 2 7, 14, 2 8, 16. 18 times. 18 into 2 is 36 and the remainder is 1. Again we will divide to this 18 by 2, that is 9 times it goes and the remainder is 0. See, for your convenience I will show you 2, 1, 2, 2, 8, 16, the remainder is 1. So this quotient 18 is here and this remainder 1 is here. In this way, to this 18, if I divide with 2, 9 times it goes and the remainder is 0. So this quotient is here and this remainder is here. Similarly, 2 9 if I divide with 2 to 9, 4 times it goes, 2 4 8 and the remainder is 1. Again, if I divide with 2 to the 4, 2 times it goes and the remainder is 0. Again, if I divide with 2 to the 2, 1 time it goes and the remainder is 0. So the answer of this binary is 1 0 0 1 0 1.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for self, live for family, live for India, let's break the chain of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।